Hi guys, this is my assignment for session 1 in Pictoblox Python programming for today. As you can see, this is my program. It is a password strength checker. So let me demonstrate first on how it works. So when I click the run button, it will ask for my input. So I have to simply key in any password that I like. For this case, I'm using ABC1234. So based on my password, the program will let me know whether my password is strong or very strong, moderate, weak, or very weak. And based on the output, it will give me some suggestions on what are the things that is missing in my password. Okay, let me enter. So based on my entered password, you can see it says my password is weak, and it is also suggesting me on what are the things that is required in order to make it my password a better password. So that's all guys, this is my program for today's assignment. Thank you for watching.